Hey guys, welcome to the Geography Academy. So there's lots of resources here on YouTube that should help you with some of your understanding about the GCSE and A-level courses available around the world. And of course then we've got entire courses that are made up just to help people with exam skills and make sure that students understand the entire content. So whether you're learning it for the first time or just revising and cramming a few days before the exam, you're going to find enough here that's really going to help you. So I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to show you a couple of things that's available right now and share with you a few ideas during the year as well. Okay, so here's a good example of one of our courses. This is for AS Geography, the Cambridge International Board. And you can just see how it's put together here, clearly marked, sectioned off into different types of exam paper questions. So this is for a lot of different levels. And this one specifically is designed for the Cambridge Board though. So we go through model answers, we talk through the marking scheme together, it gets students used to it, and then they'll be able to do it themselves. So a connection there between a video of me explaining it and then the resources there for you to use and try and even grade yourself. So we do this for the content as well, where it's quite like video heavy. You can take it at your own pace, and this allows for each student really to find what they need to work on and give them the ability then to take away some resources as well. Over here on the main website then you can sign up for tutorials and tuition, so you can get one-to-one tutoring or perhaps group tutoring as well, and we can talk to that and organize that. So everything is really made to specify for each student to give them all the support they need, whether they're a full-time homeschool student that needs 2 to 3 hours a week plus all the assessments, or if you just need a little bit of help to make sure that you're prepped for the exam in the coming weeks. You'll find lots of support there, and other resources as well will be posted up there. So for now, thanks very much for checking out the YouTube video. Also have a look down there, subscribe if you like it, give me suggestions, ask me questions, and hopefully we will talk to you soon.